Regarding the present moment of the Bay of Bengal cyclone nucleus, that is Bengal, which is now up to Thursday, this Zoom Earth is showing the trajectory of the nucleus of or remnants of the cyclone, where the color bar you can see on the top of this recording that light rain is in blue, moderate rain is in pink to red, and heavy rain is indicated in yellow to golden. And the rainfall will be there on the west coast. Mangalore will face it today and tomorrow, and some parts of Uttar Kannada and interiors of Goa. But the cyclone, as you can see, the time bar at the bottom, it is giving day as well as the timing. It is the depression has crossed. It rained record in Puducherry, almost half a meter rain it had got in one day, and it was a record of so many years that we can see now the replication of the same this one, because Zoom Earth is a very powerful cyclone warning system, and they purchase the data from NASA, Russian, Japanese, European satellites and create high density models like this. And actually this is based on radar data and very accurate and more accurate than you can say IMD data, because IMD doesn't take data from other international weather observatories or organizations, and it solely relies on the constellation of Indian satellites. So here you have the full trajectory and time course of cyclone Bengal, and fortunately now only the nucleus is remaining, and we may get a overcast sky for 2-3 days, but very little chance of heavy rains or something like that.